Make sure you get her, not me.
Who's eating? Who loves to eat? Who, Baby Lou? Who loves to eat? Who loves to eat? Hi, baby. What are you eating? Hi. 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 Oh my goodness.
Boy.
Oh my goodness. Hi. Is that good? What are you eating? Rice cereal. Mmm, yummy. Yummy. Hi. Oh boy. Ooh. Woolly, woolly, woolly.
Oh boy.
Woolly, woolly. Woolly, woolly. Here comes the train. Choo choo. She said, Daddy, I don't need no motivation. I'll eat whatever.
Ready?
Here comes the spoon. Oh boy.
Are we full? Is that what's happening?
Oh, good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who can eat? Who can eat with spoons? Woolly woolly.
That's it. All gone.
Woolly woolly. Oh boy. Hi, Baby Lou. Are you done? Was that good? Was that good? Was that good, Baby Lou? Why is Mommy laughing? Why is Mom? And you don't even know what she's laughing about. You just laugh. Huh, Baby Lou? Huh? Huh? You just laugh when everybody laughs, right? Right? Hi. 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 Oh yeah? What are you laughing about? What are you laughing about? Do you even know what they're laughing about? No? Good girl. Good girl.
That's it? You want some more or are you done?
Good girl. You're such a good girl. Oh boy. Oh boy.
You want to drink some more 4 minutes?
Hi. Hi.
3, 4 lepels. Mike is een fles.